We are sure all of you must have at least once till date bumped into the word called collagen. Especially the ladies must have heard a lot about collagen while buying their beauty products and in a lot of television advertisements too. But do you know the real benefits from collagen? Welcome to our channel, The Holistic Collective. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our affiliate products mentioned in the description below. Believe us, they are worth a try. So what exactly is collagen? Collagen is a protein that makes us look beautiful, which means the collagen helps our body stay stronger and firmer in the structure. But as we grow old, our body fails to create sufficient amounts of these proteins, because of which we start getting wrinkles, our skin sags, etc. So does it mean that if we start taking collagen supplements, we might never look old? Will age really just become a number? Let's snap out of the dream, guys. Collagen supplements can only help you out a little, but don't forget, we can't define nature. Did you know almost 30% of our body protein is made up of collagen? It is responsible for structuring the bones, tendons, skin, cartilage, and also our organs, muscles, and arteries, almost everything. So if you have a vitamin C deficiency or diseases like Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, then in such cases your collagen levels might have got severely disturbed. Do consult your doctor regularly, because the collagen supplements alone won't be helpful. Now let us look at the 7 benefits of collagen. Number 1. That vibrant and beautiful look is promised with healthy collagen levels. As the collagen levels in your body reduce, you start noticing the wrinkles and sagging. This doesn't really happen due to aging, but external factors like wrong diet, no exercise, and illnesses also play a role in reducing collagen levels from an early age. If you start using products containing collagen peptides, it helps your skin by maintaining its health and keeping away from anything that is harmful. These products also help in producing collagen and hyaluronic acid in your body. A research that took place a few years ago suggests that supplements having collagen peptides can help in reducing wrinkles and increasing the hydration of the skin. In one more research, it has also proved that the intensity of the wrinkles reduced and elasticity of the skin increased in the postmenopausal women too. Number 2. Improves the health of cartilage for comfortable joints. Collagen peptide encourages the production of collagen in the joints as well as the other tissues. In a research study in the year 2016, it was observed that collagen peptide also helped with the condition known as osteoarthritis. It reduced pain, increased bone density, and protected cartilage. It seems we should start taking collagen supplements early on. Number 3. That perfect body is a promise with good collagen levels. A study found out that adult men who took collagen supplements and did resistance training thrice a week had an increase in muscle mass and a significant reduction in fat mass, that too in just 12 weeks. It also helped postmenopausal women and did not stop with older people. Collagen peptide gave promising results in younger males too. Number 4. Atherosclerosis, rarely heard but very life-threatening. A plaque buildup in your artery doesn't show any symptoms, but with time it can increase and cause your artery to burst. This can actually be very dangerous to your life, but if you have sufficient collagen around the plaque, the probability of the bursting of the artery becomes very less. In a recent study, it is indicated that consumption of collagen tripeptide helped in treating the atherosclerosis and also reduced it. The ratio of good and bad cholesterol also improved. Number 5. A relief from knee pain. Yes, collagen peptide also does wonders for people suffering from knee pain. It also helps by reducing the stiffness in your knees. Number 6. Strong bones. Osteoporosis is a condition that makes bones weaker by decreasing the bone mass, but battling this out is possible. Collagen peptide supplements have proven to be more beneficial for women experiencing menopause. It helps increase the density of their overall bone structure and especially of the spine. Number 7. Strong nails and hair too. A study has revealed that collagen peptide helps our nails grow faster and stronger both at the same time. Some also claim the same in the case of hair growth, but there is very little study around that. We are sure by now you must be wondering where to buy these collagen peptide supplements from. You get flavorless collagen peptide powder. It is also available in various flavors. You can also get them in yummy gummy forms called as collagen gummies. But you can also get help from some natural ingredients easily found at home. You can consume broth made from bones. Always take a balanced diet. See to it that you get the right levels of vitamin C. avoid smoking, and too much exposure to sun rays. There are few things you need to be careful about when considering collagen supplements. First, it contains extract of animals. So if you are a vegetarian, you will have to decide carefully. Some collagen supplements have extracts mainly from fish, and if you are having any fish related allergies, you better avoid it. A few supplement manufacturers will try to act cunning and not label its ingredients correctly, so always be careful. If you feel too confused on what to select, you can always consult your doctor. They will help you choose between the right and even tell you if you really need a supplement at that point of time or not. We hope this information is going to help you stay fit and strong, because prevention is better than cure. As we at the Holistic Collective always say, avoid stress, eat right, sleep well, and never forget to smile.